Okay, guys, the first technique we're going to look at is actually talk about self-defense awareness and what we call as our bubble. So let's say Steve is actually our attacker. Right now, he can't do anything to me. All right, he's outside my bubble. He's not a threat. He may be talking. He may be doing a lot of different things, but right now, he is not a threat to me. As he starts walking towards me, right there. As he starts walking to where he can actually start putting his legs and hands on top of me or getting a hold of me, that's what I need to be aware of. That's my bubble. He's breaking my bubble. He's coming into my zone. When that happens, I need to react. Either I need to step back, I need to tell him to stop moving, I need to be aware of what he's doing, or I may decide to preemptively strike. If I decide that this guy is a threat, he is an issue, that he's going to attack me, he's expressed intent, he has his hands up, he's coming towards me aggressively, we're in a situation where a fight might erupt, then I need to react. Okay, so we just want to think about is we have a bubble around us. And right now, Coach Steve he's inside my bubble, now he's out. So a lot of times when we'll talk about self-defense, we need to be very aware of that bubble, him breaking the bubble, coming to our zone, and reacting from it. Okay? That's just your first technique, your first principle is being aware of self-defense situation in your bubble around you.